Hi, and welcome to the overview of Gocar, a sleek and powerful car service app built to help businesses launch their own car service platform. Let's see how it works with an example. Meet John. He wants to book a car service using his mobile. He opens that Gocar app, selects his car brand, model, and engine type, and instantly sees services and products personalized for his vehicle. From the home page, John explores featured services, product deals, and categories. He adds a few items to his cart. At checkout, John chooses to have his car picked up by a technician, sets the preferred date and time, and adds his address. He also has the option to choose an outlet with all available listings during scheduling, so he knows exactly where his car will be. Gocar supports 19 plus secure payment gateways, making it easy for customers to pay online or choose cash on delivery. Once the booking is complete, John receives a confirmation notification and his order appears in the order list for future reference. On your end, you have full control over the platform, managing services, orders, payments, outlet locations, offers, and more. Multiple outlets can be added to the system, making it easier to expand or serve different areas. Whether you're running a single garage or scaling your brand across multiple branches, Gocar gives you everything you need.